It's so good. It's so good. Get yourself in the kitchen and start cooking. You don't need to go out for takeaways. Nothing's wrong with a takeaway. Don't get me wrong. I love a takeaway. But like when you can do this yourself, this is restaurant quality food in your home. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. I hope you're very well today. We're looking at something special, guys. Something special. Something incredibly simple as well. I bring you back to a video I did maybe about a month ago. It was a Gremolata sauce, right? And I remember telling you guys I was doing it for a kind of a family dinner, and I was going to do scallops with this sauce, and it turned out fantastically well, right? I know I did say I was going to bring you through the whole process about how to do the scallops and all the rest. I'm sorry, guys. Time got away from me. I've got a wife and 2 kids, a full-time job. Doesn't always bode well for filming YouTube videos, but today is the day. The kids are out of the house. I've got a bit of time. We're going to do it, right? So today we're doing a scallop with Gremolata sauce on a bacon crumb. Like, it sounds so professional, right? But it's so damn easy. Look, and I say, as I always say, if I can do it, anybody can do it, right? So we're going to start by showing you how to prepare the scallops. We're going to cook the scallops and then we're going to put it all together. It should only take you maybe around 10 to 15, 20 minutes or so. Not a lot of time, really. But look, that being said, let's just get into it. Let's get the scallops on the go. We're going to prepare them first and then we get them pan. Excellent. So we have our scallops here. I picked these up this morning, actually. They're lovely. Fresh scallops, nothing better, right? Let's have a look. Fantastic scallops. Look at these. Look at the size of these. Fantastic. And what we have here is a thing called the roe, right? So you take the roe off, and the simplest way of doing it, guys, is actually you can pull it off. There you go. Okay. And then just want to clean it up. Again. There you go. And it just comes off like that. Look at that. You don't even need a knife. Now, this is what I'm talking about here, right? There's a bit of hard flesh here that is going to be no good to eat. So we need just to cut that off. So. And just feel around the scallop, guys, right? If you feel any hard bits, cut them off. So again, we're just going to tear that off. That was a very simple one. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely. Look, here's our scallops, guys, prepared. How long did that take? 3-4 minutes, like, you know? So a part of this dish is, as I said, the bacon crumb, right? So we're going to get the bacon crumb on first. Now, put that on the stove. Okay, so while the bacon is frying off there, just a little trick I do when we're cooking the scallops here. I'll just show you on this one, right? Just, now, scallops take 30-40 seconds to cook on a high heat, right? Now we want to make sure that the heat penetrates the whole scallop. So what I do is I just put into the scallop just a little bit. And then do it again on this side. And that's how you make sure that the scallop cooks in that record time, right? So remember, look, we're opening the scallop up to get flavour in there. Okay, just look at that, all right? Whoa, they're really amazing. Now, This is not healthy, guys, right? But it is an indulgence. We don't do it every day. Look, we have the bacon all crisped up there. Be careful. All right, guys, so we want to leave the vast majority of this oil in the pan because that's what the scallops are going to cook in, right? It's all adding flavor, guys. Like this is what's going to make these scallops out of this world. All right, so put this back on the hob. And as I said, this is going to be a bacon crumb, right? So we're going to chop these up nice and fine. So this is where it's quick and fast, right? So it's coming up to temperature now. What I want to do is just add a little bit of butter. Okay. So guys, remember, this will be high and fast, yes? Okay. Lovely. So about 30 seconds on one side, guys, okay? And then lash it over. Look at that. Oh. Look at those. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, what you want to do, you just want to baste them. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that! Excellent. Now, that's it, guys, right? Turn it off. Take the pan off the heat. Right, so I put a few breadcrumbs just in the pan, guys. I took out most of the oil, so we're just left with the flavour of the scallops in the bottom of the pan. And I've just put a few breadcrumbs in there, right? I'm going to add to that my bacon. Now, here comes the fun bit, guys, right? So we need to assemble it, right? Now, this is how you're going to make this look so professional. And honestly, it's just so easy. So what I want you to do is get your pan with your breadcrumbs and your bacon crumb, okay? Now, what I want to do is just get a... I wish there was television, I really do. Okay, so we're gonna put our scallops on. fantastic dish. That is so easy to do. So, just to really quickly recap what we've done here. We've prepared our scallops. We've done a bacon crumb. We've actually done a Gremolata sauce as well. You put all those things together, you get a fantastic dish that looks like that. Like, you pay money for that in a restaurant. Like, that is absolutely gorgeous looking. And I'm gonna give it a taste now. I can't wait. This is so good, you guys. And I think it's like, I say this every time. I know I'm like a broken record here, but this stuff that we're doing, it's so good. It's so good. Get yourself in the kitchen and start cooking. You don't need to go for takeaways. Nothing's wrong with a takeaway. Don't get me wrong. I love a takeaway, but like, when you can do this yourself, this is restaurant quality food in your home. It just looks fantastic. Right, enough said. Let's dig in. All right, so make sure we can get all the bits here. So we got our bacon crumb and our breadcrumbs. We have our Gremolata sauce, and then the star of the show, the scallop. Oh my god. Oh my days. The Gremolata sauce is phenomenal. That I've made that before, guys. I made that about a month ago or so. I'll put a link up here. Not a lot more really to say. Wow. I'm going to go off and finish off my scallops. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, if you found the content enjoyable, hit that subscribe button. Like the video, share it. Share it to your friends, share it to your mom, share it to your dad, share it to your mates. Until next time, guys, thanks again for watching the video. If you liked it, hit subscribe. If you didn't like it, hit subscribe. Thanks, guys. Good luck.